selling a war, I'm selling when it cool down.
I'm selling when I'm old, I'm selling when I'm young. I'm selling at the rain, I'm selling at the sun. I'm not selling a war, I'm selling when it cool down. Can't nobody lick me, I'm not done.
Say blow me on, they hear that anybody lick or she not done. Yeah, yeah. Dun 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 dun.
Nice flashy plant. It's like
20 years, I'll be coming to Trenchtown. Wow.
Guys, look at these here. Yes, it just came, right?
Yeah, I was a colleague after that. You extended more, no?
Is this the here?
I get extend more.
Of course, it's my hair. What do you think? Jamaican plantain.
Rasta.
Jamaican plantain.
Yeah.
Rasta. Esther's not feeling good, guys. Esther got toothache.
You took a teeth here?
You want Jack to take it out for you? Get the pliers. Get the pliers.
War, kill war. People love you, I say.
People love you, I say.
It was a lovely day.
it was a lovely day.
It was a happy day.
It was a happy day.
Still come to Trenchtown.
Still come to Trenchtown.
People love you so.
People love me so.
You know, so tell them what's your experience like here in Trenchtown.
A lot of people say you shouldn't go to Trenchtown because it's dangerous and whatnot. But I mean, I came here and people accepted me like I was one of the brethren, you know. They show me what they do, they show me what they eat, how they drink. They introduced me to the party, you know. We went to people's studio and we made some music and all around good vibes. So yeah, and there's a lot of history here too.
So
Yeah, and the people want to educate you about the history because people are here, they're proud of where they're from. So I mean, if you ever get the opportunity to come to Trenchtown, I definitely take the opportunity because it's a magical place.
So we give thanks to Seven Love Styles, you know, because he was watching the video and saw when he was doing a haircut, you know, and they started for just set him up, you know, with some more clippers, some more cutting equipments. Wow. So you get the next clippers there.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Oh, they knock They knock the plums out of the trees, the goats eat them.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Se plomia. Boy, dada.
Me nah Muslim.
Se dada ya. Boy, dada. Oh, I'm sell when me young. Diplomia. Plummy, come on, we need better energy than that, man. Yes, come now, Plummy, man. Say Plumia.
One plummy.
Yes.
Plummy.
I'm selling out the war, I'm selling out the corner, man.
Respect. Good vibe out here.
I'm selling on the
Respect,
and I'm
respect.
selling when it cool down.
Respect.
Bosa Giasia.
Tell them no, man.
Foreigner from grape there. Orange and banana there.
What else there? One plummy. We selling a war, I'm selling when it cool down.
I'm selling when I'm old, I'm selling when I'm young. I'm selling at the rain, I'm selling at the sun. Me not selling at war, I'm selling when it cool down. Can't nobody lick me, me not done.
Say Plumia, they hear that anybody lick or she not done. You drinking a bag juice, mate? Prince. All Prince.
Of course, I'm drinking the bag juice. The
Nice.
best juice is from a bag.
Yes,
You know, you gotta rip open with your teeth and just suck it out.
yes.
Every time I've had a good juice.
Bag juice, welcome, come. Stone man. This is Stone man earlier. Oh, what they said me there? You see me what they saw a while ago. Alright, come head this way. Yeah, please. First Street. So welcome to First Street, guys.
You'll find a lot of mutton here in Trenchtown.
Yeah. Oh,
Goat curry. Yeah. But they'll stick around the fronts of whoever's house that they belong to. They don't go walk down the street into the Valley Gardens. They know what to say.
here's where you find the most pigeons.
Holy! Oh, and they're in a cage too.
Yeah.
And they eat the pigeons.
No, used to back in the days.
I ate pigeon last time I was in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Shot from the sky.
Yeah, they still eat them same way, but not everyone.
So why do they have so many pigeons here?
Well, this is their home.
They live here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is their cage.
Yeah, so they fly away and they come back home.
Oh, so the person who lives here just likes to have pigeons around.
Yeah, just like him. Wow, chef, he likes pigeons as well.
Yeah, so it's like basically like Mike Tyson lives here. You know how he loves pigeons?
Yeah, yeah.
You know, I've been to places where they make pigeons do pigeon races.
Oh,
Gamble on them.
okay.
I saw that in Egypt.
Oh, in Egypt.
The pigeon is a very special, mysterious creature. They do cool things with pigeons all around the world you would never expect.
Oh, true.
They're beautiful, but they're underappreciated.
Yeah,
Bring message, there's a message.
yeah, they used to use them for message as well too back in the day.
Messenger pigeon. Yeah. I think. Yeah, I think you gotta start.
Robin Hood
Start
days.
putting respect on the pigeons. Man.
Rami, these are some of the greats them.
Oh yeah.
As you can see, Haile Selassie, the same man he was asking about.
Yep.
That's Martin Luther King. He's a Trenchtown man, massive dread. You know, Marcus Garvey, Trenchtown man as well, Arthur Ellis, Peter Todd, Trenchtown man. I know Bob Marley. So these are the legends.
Yeah, man.
And from this street, you know.
Yeah.
So and this street, legend of First Street. So this is First Street that we're on.
Yeah.
So these are the names. You have the Whalers, them. You know, the Bob Marley and the Whalers. And you see Bob Marley, Bunny Whaler, Peter Touch. You know. And you have the Wailing Soul as well. So there's so much from this street, you know.
Yeah.
It's true.
Do they put this stuff in the road just so it's like a one way, or
Yeah.
the reason for that?
Yeah, because they just start now one way, you know. Sometimes it's just for stopping
Yeah.
people to driving too fast,
Yeah.
you know. And for these are for stop for like if anything going on in the community, you know, you stop the driver them from driving through doing the wrong thing that they're not supposed
Yeah.
to do.
Makes sense.
Ah. Hey.
Yeah, even the kids know you.
Yeah. Really kids.
Let me on the road.
You are on the road, man. Bam bam de bam bam. Hey boy. I remember we keep a lot of treats as well too for the kids them.
Yeah.
Where we keep giveaways.
Yeah.
So you know when kids come to the giveaways, remember when you bless kids, you know, give them gives away, them all gonna remember you.
Yeah, exactly.
For what you do
That's
for
what I was
them.
saying. We went by the sweet shop. I was saying we should definitely get something for the youth.
Yeah.
Just some snacks or something.
Yeah man. One thing with kids them always
Yeah,
remember.
just keep them happy.
I remember when you're young, you know.
Yeah.
No matter sometime, people that do you wrong, you'll always remember them.
Yeah.
You grew up, remember, oh, that person done me wrong. You know, so you grew up, is either you grew up with that heritage or you grew up with that love. It all depends what the person done for you. Nick!
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's the drinking bar where you go and drink, you know?
Almost back where we started.
Yeah. But there's so many places. Trenchtown is quite big, you know.
Is it big? Yeah, we only went on a couple streets.
Yeah. Only a couple streets. And there's so much streets to go.
The people that live here, do they?
Yeah.
What up, man? Most of them, are they renting or do they own the
No,
place?
they own the place.
Yeah.
It's kinda, that's the lady that will build the house for.
Hello.
Alright.
How you doing? Oh, you built the house for her.
Yeah, the one that was showing you right there.
Yeah. That yellow one. That's a nice one.
Big up Rasta. Drax in the building. What on the mic there? Seal. Come meet Seal. Seal, come meet Rasta Jackson.
Big Rasta.
Yes.
Rasta man. Yeah. Go on, man.
He's the energy man in the team.
Yeah?
Energy.
Hype man out here in Trenchtown.
Yes. Walk by don't have the energy that he have.
Oh yeah?
Jamaica, what? No. And we have Rasta Messi right here.
Rasta Messi. Big up, man.
Big up.
Also keep about the team members as well too.
Oh, you guys are part of the team.
Yeah.
Keeping, looking out for the community here.
Yes, yes.
Right thing we have to do, you know. So everybody can
Yeah.
say you have to have somebody out of the boat.
Respect.
Yeah.
Yes.
Appreciate what you guys do.
Yeah, my boy, we got people telling them things, so nah, stop doing it.
Hello. Hey. Where's my bicycle? Where's my bicycle? So where's my bicycle? Where's my bicycle? Come out the road. Get up there, fix. Come out the road. Yeah, man. The man said he want to spend a night here in Trenchtown. So these are the, you know, the members then.
Yeah, man.
We have more of them. So you want a jelly?
Sure, let's take some jelly.
Get one for you as well. Check thump off your jelly there. Perfect. See another member of the team.
Yeah.
Walk this way, walk that way. There's another member of the team. This is
Wagwan, man.
Seal.
Seal. Good to meet you, man.
From Canada.
You're a member of the team.
Yes.
You guys do good things. Yeah. It's cool. We've been going around, meeting the people here, making a little video here. Yeah. I like it here. It's a good vibe.
Yeah, man.
You're working on one of the houses here.
Yeah.
Is he working on one of the houses?
No,
He's working on his. Oh, you're making a chair. Oh, he makes settees.
Yeah?
He's make furnitures.
Okay.
Nice,
man.
So I'll give him a look in.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Are you playing music? Oh, the music will be a problem. Oh,
Oh, yeah, okay, we're good.
sitting on the encore,
Yeah, I like these carts.
drinking a jelly.
They're nostalgic. So you call the coconuts jellies?
Yeah, the jelly coconuts.
Because they got the jelly inside.
Yeah, I
Drinking
guess
a
so.
jelly.
I guess that's the reason why they call it jelly. Why them call it jelly, Rasta Jackson? Why them call it jelly? What? Eh?
I'm saying, I want to get a guy hard. What I'm yard.
The only water go to the heart. That's why them call it jelly? Yeah.
Oh, alright. Now I got a question.
Yeah.
Oh, the jelly going on, the water going on jelly.
Oh, it going nice? Well, that's how it grows, really.
No, I tell you, it's like a man pregnant.
That's true, you know. Never think about it.
And discharge and pregnant.
Mhm.
So the water going and build up in and sometimes it turns up and bust it in a way, take and chop that by tree and you chop it. It dry out completely and inside it red. The water and that and big, so you just pick it and you see like it's solid. And when you chop it, no water and it.
It makes sense, you know. I never actually think of it that way. Because I remember one time these on the tree, they start as a little nut.
Yeah.
For them to get to this size with all the water inside of it. And you wonder how comes it gather so much water?
Yeah.
You never think about it that way though. Yeah. I never actually think about it that way because when it's small, it's like a little nut.
Yeah.
And then they get so big and gather all of this water inside of it.
Where does the water come from?
Where does the water come from?
It's a conspiracy theory.
Yes.
How is it getting into the coconut?
How many years jelly take to be here?
Yeah.
I don't know about that one.
At 5 years, 6 years, when you plant it, when you plant it, you get the manure. And you dig the wall, throw the manure in it, throw some dirt and wet it, plant the coconut. And so you plant the coconut.
Yeah.
So you plant the coconut now.
Yeah.
That's it. You start, you start with it. You have a man, you throw 2 little grain around it. And at 5 years, you get 5 years. I set up beers and you low so you can just creep on it to go higher. I set up. That's it. 5 years, I'll get wool for jelly after it.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes.
The mere pan coconut I tell you about. A year and get. Because some coconut get 8 years.
Okay. Hold up a minute.
Yes,
Because guys, I'm not like the first time I actually think about what he's saying. Yes, call him because remember it's like a little nut.
It might not look perfect,
And then it
but
grow, it expand.
it doesn't matter
And
how
for it to
looks.
gather so many water
It's on the
inside of it.
inside, you know?
Where the water come from, Jackson?
Yeah, water come from nature, you know.
Nature.
Nature itself, you know. I say, because everything have them purpose, everything have them thing with them beer, you know.
Yeah.
See, until the water come from where they're going out.
banana shoot.
Yeah.
Banana shoot.
Banana shoot?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Alright, just like how the banana come up on the tree and you see it a shoot. You know when you use your body,
Yeah.
set up and you just come out and you see something like you see a bigness of hands come up.
Okay. Wow.
You know when you plant some flowers
Yeah.
and you have water and you see it just boom over so.
Yeah. Same way. Wow. Sometimes we've been enjoying all of this jelly for years.
Exactly.
But never think about how the water get inside of it.
You know plantation, you know plant banana.
Yeah, he's living here.
Alright. When you alright, when you go and plant a banana, how would you plant?
Yeah,
Lean
exactly.
and up in here, so.
Lean.
How would you plant a coconut?
Let it grow straight.
No man.
Oh,
You have to lean it down.
lean it down.
Lean it so you can bust 3 way night. You know. Alright, how much you coconut have?
3.
No man, a 3 you get a one you can bust from.
Oh.
And one is bigger. So the 2 one you roll it, no can be, you know, the one you say there.
Or the one in the middle.
Yeah, one. That one man get 3 every that, you know. Take away man and coconut and ask him about yeah, might take 3. A 3 you get. Next man's a 1 you get.
Alright.
Yeah.
That is
1
it.
yeah, man. You find coconut when you get it.
The one I way up, you know, it's a bowl of it's a bowl and drink out the water, you know. The one under there, you know. The one under the pan it, you know, rest them seal up, So the one that boil it, but I wouldn't want to block the coconut, I block it, I go waste.
That yes.
So we don't take something and take it.
That is true.
Yeah.
Alright then, so we'll give the coconut, she's getting her ear done. So bring one for me, Jackson. And then bring one. Alright, Tompa. So come deal with you, yeah?
It's on the inside, and on the inside is the good people. Right, Rasta man?
Yeah.
Rasta
Exactly.
Jackson
Rasta Jackson.
and Rasta Boom.
Good people there and make it look bad. Yeah, Trenchtown.
20 years, I'll be coming to Trenchtown. Wow.
Guys, look at the here. The here.
Yeah,
Wow.
you come short, you know.
Yes, it just came, right?
Yeah, I was a colleague after that, you extend it more, no?
Is this the
You
here?
get extend more, you know.
My hair, what do you think? Jamaican plantain.
Rasta.
Jamaican plantain.
Yeah.
Rasta. Esther's not feeling good, guys. Esther got
you.
toothache.
You took a teeth here?
You want Jackson to take it out for you? Get the
Dr.
pliers.
Giggle and call me, you know.
Get the pliers. Let's get the pliers for
Esther
Esther.
talk to the man, and Dr. Giggle and call me, you know. They will have Dr. Giggle.
Giggle. Oh gosh, I promise Esther cannot talk. Esther, what going? Why you can't talk? Guys, the first time Esther cannot speak.
Welcome to our salon.
Yes. Yes, so welcome to the
I might
salon.
have to get a haircut after you.
Yeah.
You got a hair dye?
She's gonna get it
I was
done.
gonna say I wouldn't mind getting some hair dye. No.
Yeah, man.
Oh, hair dye.
Yeah,
And
some,
a black one.
no, there's some blonde in my hair.
Some yellow and red.
Any style, no. She had the hair doing any
Yes.
style one, no. Pattern and style and anything, you know.
Yes.
And them girl are the favorite. The must have all.
Yes.
You see, she had the man go now, send them down a year, I get tall. Until she come back here, she say, a year I will get tall. Because so it look like. When I look on it, I get tall every day.
Taller.
Yes, so she go and come back a different thing.
Yes, so the one go blending in the inner city hair salon. Getting it done by Smile One.
Smile One.
Having a jelly.
And I feel like, wow, I'm good.
Good now. Esther having the
dying.
toothache. Oh,
Too bad for her.
I said, them teeth are bump on my head, you know.
Last time my teeth hurt, my punch on my door, my hand went right through.
I bump on my head.
Worse.
My teeth are hurt, my man.
Toothache is some of the worst pain.
And the man use the pliers, that go sound hold. We say, hold it to the pliers, sir. Every time go sound all, we go, we say, yeah, you have the pliers now, we go to a fishing line, you know.
Yeah.
I put a knot on the fish line and put it over the teeth. And two of them hold it and they put an all, we say, all it, now, come on.
Because yesterday, the other day, I'm going to pull out my teeth and I tell you.
You pulled out your teeth too?
Of course. Because I have same tooth problem. And the man numb it and everything, but I still feel it. When he went like this, I'm like, oh. I'm like, oh.
Oh my God.
Listen.
You're killing her. She doesn't want to hear this.
Yeah, man.
She doesn't
Let's
know.
see.
It's one here. At the back.
At the back.
Wisdom teeth.
I want to see.
It's at the back.
The whole of you start hurt, you know. The whole over you start hurt, and the whole around you start hurt. When one teeth are hurt, you know, and the back one, you know. You come at the whole of you over you start hurt, you know. The whole of you start hurt, you.
We pulled it out here and here. Two.
Whole of your right side that hurt, you. You left on the lean on the head, so see ya. And one other side that dead, they can't hold it up.
Hey.
Take it out,
Can't bother. You put a fake one.
Hush, Esther.
You
Hush.
remove it?
Esther, you was crying, right?
Of
No.
course.
Esther, so why you can't talk? What's going on? You hold on something on it?
Talks from Jamaican men.
Oh, you have something there?
Ah, that's good.
Too much sweet talks from Jamaican men make the toothache. I told one that, like that, he laughed so hard. I was like, stop sweet talking me, my teeth are going to ache me later.
Hey, this is Johnny.
Oh, hi Johnny.
This is Johnny. Johnny a Rasta man.
Johnny from San Diego.
Oh, San Diego.
How long you been here?
I just got back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you've been living here?
Go on back and forth.
Back
Oh, you
and
go
forth.
back and forth, huh?
And he's not living Trenchtown. He said he's staying here.
So you're living in Trenchtown?
Of course, he's not living. You got the wow chef and everything. You got the Rasta them running. He's got the
All
cook.
is well.
Passed away.
Yeah. Rasta man?
Yeah.
Next Rasta.
The Rasta vibes. Pussy. I mean pussy.
Is there a washroom I can use somewhere?
Yeah. One sec. That bad?
Not bad, but
Alright, one sec.
eventually I'll need to go bad.
Yeah, one sec. So we have postman. This is the postman. But the postman is a barber. He trim people.
Wagwan,
You want to get a
man.
haircut? You can.
Oh, I should have kept it. I shaved yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Should have got your blade to my face.
Yes.
That would have been fun.
So the last time I was doing a video,
Yeah?
he was cutting someone here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and someone saw that. And then say, no, we like the way he was speaking. So I want to get him a gift.
Oh.
So we have 7 love styles from the USA. Sent you a gift because him saw you was doing a haircut. So him said, let's send this to the
So just
the barber.
a fan off YouTube.
Yeah,
Wow.
7 love styles.
Shout out 7 Love Styles.
Yeah.
Love style.
Yes.
Thanks to the person who sent this thing. Thank you very much. God bless.
Yeah, man. But you don't want to check it to see what I go on inside. 7 Love Styles. So we give thanks to 7 Love Styles, you know, because he was watching the video and saw when he was doing a haircut, you know, and this style for us set him up, you know, with some more clippers, some more cutting equipments. Wow. So you get the clippers there.
When you come down on the field, one you see a field.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Line up on that.
it's like the vintage one. Just, wow. So you get some more clippers from 7 Love Styles. Wow. So you're looking at cut now, in a haircut.
Do my hair. You gonna give me a buzz cut in my head?
No.
Yeah, she's good.
What is it?
So we'll give thanks. Wow. Official one, man. Wow. You don't want to be charged as well. Wow. So you can walk with that one in your pocket and go and trim anybody you want.
You must see charger your scissors in like.
Wow.
See that? Charger, scissors, the island.
Well said.
You have your comb. Your comb in that, you know. Yeah, man.
Scissors, everything. Thanks.
7 Love Styles.
7 Love Styles. Thank you very much. Make my day.
Hey. You make his day.
And you must have your.
Press back the something for like that. Yeah, cool. No man, press it, man. These are the numbers, right? See the numbers on there?
Yeah.
So easy they can hold on it like this and it's off. So just press down on it.
Yeah.
You see me? There's one press to turn it on. So these are the gauge. So you have 1, 2, and 3. So how high you want it.
Yep.
Another high. Okay, power. So if you want to turn it off now, just squeeze it down and it's off.
Yeah. We're good.
That is it from 7 Love Styles from the USA. Because he was cutting someone in here and the man said, let me send him something. Right package I get. One of the vintage. Yeah man, so it's a thing where you put around in it. Hey, well set man, you're well set. Well set. You want a haircut?
No.
So the first haircut there?
No. Tomorrow.
Whoa, Shepard, come get him haircut as well. Whoa, you know? Yeah. The liner.
Coming out of the island.
No, nothing come ahead.
Yeah, man.
And next you turn. Okay. That one is slick, man. This is the vintage one. Liner. Slick.
And what charger?
Some slick cut going on here.
Yeah, man, because this look a fade on.
No.
And a bossy. Get well set. Yes guys, so we give thanks to 7 Love Style. We thank you so much, you know, for making his day, you know. We give thanks and we thank you so much, guys. Yeah. No, look at the clip. Yeah. No, press it from here. From here. No, just lift it up from here. Just lift it up, yeah. Wow. Bossy. That come on. So this now you turn this on, let me show you now. Alright, so this now let me see.
Oh, people.
Yeah man, so we give thanks to 7 Love Style. We thank you so much, you know, blessing and give thanks. And guys, remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you reach this far, you haven't put the thumbs up, remember to smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching Kina Live in Jamaica. Blessed love. Well, guys. So you know it goes back here in Trenchtown. You know, it's that there, it's that there, it's that there. Yes. So you have the Liverpool fans and the other fans them don't like to see me in my Manchester United jersey. You know, so we're here. Seal is still here, same way. You know. We have Seal, we have Mother Teresa, we have Nessie. Mother Teresa is here. All is well.
Extended family, Max and Mommy. Well.
And that is it. And we have Seal.
This is what you call in the evenings.
I don't think so. Because what about your family?
Drink your beers, smoke and smoke.
Seal bag.
Seal?
Messi, what go on? All is well.
Yeah, man, all is well. There, man.
I watch what go on. No, yeah, I watch what go on, man. I go and watch my team. I watch what go on, right? Yeah. There's no luck in football. Just play. Yeah. Hey, I'm here.
Two things you can always expect with Kino
Yeah.
is he's always got a good kit on, he's always got drip that matches, and he's always got a camera in hand.
Yeah.
Non-stop vlogging. Me, maybe once or twice a week, but him, every day.
7 days of the week.
Non-stop.
7 days of the week. Hey, Johnny.
Live stream your life.
How you doing? Whoa, you know?
Oh, Johnny.
You know? You know your thing, bro, you know? Barney Bob. Zaire, you know?
Right,
so we're here, man.
Holy shit, dude. You do good numbers.
Yeah, man. Because remember, we have loyal people because we have the good work that we're doing. Yeah. We always get the support from you people that are always watching. I would thank you so much for always watch Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, loyal viewer, because the good thing that I'm doing, so the people, the viewers, build a trust in what I'm doing. So them always give us support and say, let's watch Kino, you know, because it's always a fun, a joy, entertainment, you know, and what to do in helping out the people. You know, so tell them what's your experience like here in Trenchtown.
A lot of people say you shouldn't go to Trenchtown because it's dangerous and whatnot. But I mean, I came here and people accepted me like I was one of the brethren, you know. They show me what they do, they show me what they eat, how they drink. They introduced me to the party, you know. We went to people's studio and we made some music and all around good vibes. So yeah, and there's a lot of history here too. So yeah, and the people want to educate you about the history because people are here, they're proud of where they're from. So I mean, if you ever get the opportunity to come to Trenchtown, I definitely take the opportunity because it's a magical place.
And there's so much here still to learn, you know, there's so much here for you to discover.
Of course.
You know, and there's so many people here for you to really see the real vibe, you know. You only get, it's not even a tip of the iceberg that Steel get, you know, it's not even. You just get a couple hours of it, you know. And people have a lifetime of stories and everything to tell you. And you have the prefect down here, you can tell him that you're going as well too, so.
Which one?
Oh, the guy that makes the furnitures.
Oh yeah.
The settees and things, huh? Hey, I'm right here still.
Oh, and we got both Rastas over here.
Yeah, we have the both Rasta them. So, yes.
Blessings, man. Appreciate you. Heading out now. Good to meet you, brother.
Yes.
Take care.
And we have Rasta, alright, prefect. And we have Rasta Jackson there.
My Rasta brother.
Rasta Jackson.
Bless up.
Turn out to me there.
I appreciate you. Appreciate love. Appreciate love. Thank you.
Respect, enjoy himself last night.
Respect. Rasta. Appreciate love, brother. Thank you for showing me around here.
Welcome, man.
Welcome anytime?
Yeah, man.
Okay, I'll be back.
Definitely. You want to come back?
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Come back every year.
And then don't get the Rasta Jackson fever, don't you? You don't even get the Rasta Jackson fever.
What's the Rasta Jackson fever?
Hey.
Or is that whenever he's he sings, he spit up
everything.
verse.
Him sings, him dance, him DJ, him voice, him laugh, he cry laugh.
Yes.
Yes.
If you have your camera out,
Yes. Exactly. Make him hear the laugh. You want to hear the cry laugh?
Yeah, let's hear it.
Course up. Also. Gas it up, man. Gas it up. We send this one viral. We're sending this one viral.
This is what I say. Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
When Kino walk.
I don't know your name.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Happy. Seal.
Seal?
Yeah.
Seal when you come here.
Yep.
You come at movie place.
Hey.
You bought the dream team, I say.
Hey.
It was a lovely day.
Hey.
Oh, happy day. When seal them walk. Happy day.
Hey.
When Kino walk.
Happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Happy day.
It was a lovely day.
Lovely.
When seal him walk.
Seal him walk.
When Kino walk.
Kino walk.
People love you, I say.
People love you, I say.
It was a lovely day.
It was a lovely day.
It was a happy day.
It was a happy day.
Still come to Trenchtown.
Still come to Trenchtown.
People love you so.
People love me so.
And Kino love you so.
Kino love me so.
And Dream Team love you so.
Dream Team love me so.
It was a lovely day.
It was a lovely day.
Oh, happy day.
Happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy
day. Why?
There we go, Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson.
I actually got to hear him perform.
Yes, you don't even
man.
see anything. Only if it was that day.
That was good.
When you see the energy, electrified. You know?
Rasta Jackson got that energy.
Yeah, Rasta Jackson, Michael Jackson. That's where the name is coming from.
Okay,
so you know Michael Jackson with the energy, and you have imagine a Rasta who named Jackson.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. 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 Dun 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 dun. Yeah. 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 Dun 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 dun
dun. Nice flashy plant dance like Michael Jackson.
Yes, Michael.
You gotta learn how to do the moonwalk.
Yeah.
The moonwalk.
You do the Jackson walk.
Yeah, the Jackson walk.
Yeah, no, you do the Rasta Jackson walk.
Rasta Jackson.
Not the Michael Jackson walk.
Okay.
So the Rasta Jackson walk is different from the moon walk.
Let me see it. Let's see it.
You just see my dude. That was it, just not. Yeah.
All right.
Because see the steel walk.
It was good still. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. There's a lot of Canadian came here as well, you know, who also watch the program. So much. Yeah. So
shout
many.
out to all my Canadian brethren.
Yes, man. You have Pablo. You have so much that come here as well to that visit. Literally from Canada. You know, so much of them, man.
Big up.
I'm saying it was nice having Seal here in Trenchtown.
Always a good vibe.
You know, it's a blessing to have him, you know.
Yeah.
And him sleep comfortable.
Yeah.
Right?
I don't know where Esther's at, but bless up Esther.
Yeah, she's on the road.
Yeah, she let me use her place, and that was really cool of her. That was dope.
So lovely, right?
Of course.
Comfortable sleep and everything, and the guys them look out for you last night. Tell them what you had last night. You have Aki.
We had the Aki and saltfish with the dumpling.
Wow.
It was blessed.
How many dumplings you had?
5.
What?
I know. So many. Yeah, it was
5. You're bad.
But they kept feeding me.
Yeah.
I was cool after free, but they just kept feeding me.
Yeah, that's how it is. You know, we keep on feed, cause that's what we do. You know, we make sure we say the belly is full.
I gotta no, that's not good. They can't be that full. But yeah, they just make sure I'm good.
Of course.
Make sure I'm all good.
And the Ray and nephew makes it good.
I made a whole cocktail with Ray and nephew, the boom, the Campari, and roots.
And the roots. Wow.
Yeah, that's a Jamaican drink.
That is a drink. That is the bomb.
It was good.
That is the bomb, guys. So we're there, you know, and we're chilling out. Whoa! Whoa, it's putting on a big pot. Whoa, chef. What you doing, mate? You cooking? Are you looking? You cooking? Are you looking? Yeah. So yeah. How's the whole chef energy?
Yeah. Oh, he's great. Best chef in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
All the meals he made were so good.
Yeah. Cooking them dumplings.
Let's tell about the menu this morning.
This morning?
Yeah, man.
What happened this morning?
We went and we got some veggies and some saltfish, made some dumplings, and it was like a good mixed vegetables. It was good.
Yeah, so we call that one of the roll spikes.
Yeah, man, shrimps are red, gold, and green, you know. Rasta food, you see.
Oh, give me Rasta food.
Yeah, man.
The Rasta
put that Dennis Brown there, you know, so. Yeah, man, you know.
Dennis Brown?
Yeah, go and beat some Dennis Brown, look a bit from now, you know.
Yeah, you know.
Man, go and sit on the corner till you're ready, you know.
You know.
General, see my move, you know.
Yes.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate you. Appreciate love.
Yeah, man, you know.
But you know, whenever you always welcome your seal, you know, you always welcome in Trenchtown whenever you're here in Jamaica.
Dennis Brown night tonight, so I just go on.
Yeah.
I met yes, I'm going to listen to some Dennis Brown.
I met Dennis Brown's sister, and daughter today.
Yeah.
She was cool.
She come in today, you know, flying from England, from Europe, say, you know. She and Johnny and the man, go meet her today, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, Johnny bring him go down there and them man dead, so.
That is it.
Yeah, my big yard, man.
Big yard. Okay, so that is it, man. So we're gonna tell Johnny that we're gonna be moving and everything.
You guys take care, okay?
Afro Spikes.
Thank you for
Rick.
Yes, man.
Big up Rasta Jackson.
I look to see a forward again, you know.
Yeah, again.
Yeah, man.
Sometime soon.
Of course, it's a must.
Oh, dude, you're crushing me, man.
Yeah.
Strong thumb, dude.
That's how they do it.
I'm trying to play him in a thumb war, but he's got a strong thumb, man.
That's how they
He
do
does
it.
that so often. He's developed that thumb strength.
Yeah.
I don't got that Jamaican thumb strength, man. God.
You have to learn it. You have to learn it.
Yeah, you do that every day. You develop your thumb muscles.
Yes.
I got a weak one.
A weak one. This is the Afro Spikes here. Oh, he's the one that cooked the ital.
Big up Afro Spice.
All right, your finger gets stronger now.
Yeah, exactly.
See, you get it.
Appreciate the training.
Yeah. Little by little, you will get it. Forget something for him, my boy there. Oh. Yeah. So I don't even know how far Esther is. Yeah, comfy. I don't know how far. I'm going to go for Joe. I don't know how far Esther is. I could have make you tell her say you're going. Come tell the shopkeeper that you're going as well too. The shopkeeper. So we have the shop.
I'm going for a hug. Appreciate you. You hold down the fort here, okay? You hold down the fort, okay?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Let me tell you, hold the ground, till him come back.
Johnny.
Yeah.
Johnny.
Yeah, make a move.
Good to meet you, bro. You take care. One day I'll be back, alright?
Yeah.
Of course. Of course.
Have a look at Johnny Depp.
Oh, don't it? Yeah. Look like Johnny Depp for real, you know.
Take care, chef.
And the ragamuffin one though.
Yeah, the ragamuffin one. Look like Johnny Depp from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Every time. Love the rum.
You sure you wasn't in that movie?
Then I have to call him for the next one.
Yes, man. We say, guys, you should call up Johnny.
Call me if you need any acting
Yes.
for the next one there. Big up the real one too though.
Yeah, so right now we have to make the new remake of Pirates of the Caribbean. And this is the original Johnny Depp.
The Trenchtown Johnny Depp.
Yeah, so we're going to change your name from Johnny Vibes to Johnny Depp. No?
Lasso.
Lasso?
Yeah.
Okay, Lasso, can you manage it?
Copyright. I keep it original.
Alright, so they'll all be on the Johnny Vibes.
Alright, Kino. Big up yourself.
Every time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Johnny can.
Johnny, you know, I'm gonna be the first star in the movie. Johnny will be the second star.
And see, he wear the same hat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, first and second star, you know. Yeah, man, the movie I'm gonna name Johnny, wow. So I'll put the next name on it, you know. Yeah, man, like we have John Wayne, you know.
Like John and Wow and John.
It's like a movie.
Yes.
You start the show. Hey, big girl, oh, you want some blue? Hey. Nada. It's me, I say Johnny.
Yes.
Yeah, man, Johnny, we'll give him something before you go. Give him
give some
tune.
Yeah.
Next tune?
Yeah, next tune.
Alright. Since it's Dennis Brown's birthday, I'm going to say. I love her style, you know.
Yeah, man.
Lately, girl, I've been watching you alright. I don't know why. I think of you day and night.
Yes,
Believe me, girl, what is it that's seeking you? What suits me so?
Yeah, man.
I really wanna know.
Yes, man.
I praying and I hoping, well, I take you by your hand.
Let you have no
and lead you to the promised land far away. Yeah,
that is from Johnny Vibes. Big up yourself.
Promised land, you know, England, New York, and Canada, you know.
No, whoa, you know.
Yeah, man, Africa, you know, is a must.
It's a must.
Yeah, man, you know.
Johnny, Joseph, Chinaman, tell the shopkeeper you're going.
Yo, shopkeeper.
Oh, go on, sir.
Ciao, brother. Good to meet you.
Yeah, man, see you, man.
You have a good one, man.
Alright, eh?
You have a good one. Cheers.
Alright, cheers, yeah?
Yeah, the dog whisperer.
Yeah, man.
The dog, yeah.
It's got the name, the dog whisperer.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, man. Whoa, I'm soon come back. Tell Esther I'm soon come back then. So now I'll drop him and come back. Yeah, I'm going to drop him off and just come back.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Alright, then cool, man. Let's go.
Alright, boys.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yes, guys. So, you know, I'm going to drop him off, you know, back at his Airbnb where he was staying, you know, and it's a blessing, you know, to have him here in Trenchtown. So, guys, so check him out. The link will be in the description, you know, for Seal and Tour. You know, it's been a blessing to have him here in Trenchtown, hosting him, you know. So, Esther and D is gone on the road, so apparently they're going to miss him. Right, so I'm just going to head out right now, you know, and then try to catch up later on with them when I get back. Guys, so stay tuned. Remember to give the video a like whenever you're watching. Just always remember, please, to put the thumbs up, you know. Remember, always remember to put the thumbs up, you know. I keep on up reminding you, so I don't mind keep reminding you. So if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Hey, Johnny, who is this? Johnny, look here, who is this on my TV right now?
Lord,
yes, Johnny Bob.
They're live.
Yeah.
I'm going to promote it.
Yes.
I'm going to promote it.
It's going on right now.
Alright.
So look on the YouTube and the channel, see it's going on right now. Right now, perfect. So come back, yeah? Drop him off and come back. Yeah. Yeah. Check in. Alright.
The vlog grind don't stop.
Eh?
With Kino, the vlog grind don't stop.
It don't stop.
All the time.
Them say Kino works so hard, man.
I was saying that today, actually.
You were saying that today?
Yeah, because, you know, a lot of the Jamaican people, they like to idle, you know?
Yeah.
They really like to chill.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that, but it's like, if you really want to come up, you really want to make moves, like, things aren't going to be handed to you.
No.
So it's like, oh, if you want to look to a Jamaican who's on the come up, look at Kino. Kino grinds every day. We were out all day filming, and then Kino's like, I gotta go home and edit. And now that edit is being premiering literally right now on his phone. Like, the grind don't stop.
Don't, man.
This guy works 40-hour days.
Yes. You know, because remember the charity work I do see him, it just never stop. 7 days a week, it just never stop. Because remember, I grew up with my parents, and my parents always on the grind, you know, because I show you where we're from, here in Trenchtown.
The house is just right there.
Yeah. So if you're living here in the inner city, you see the condition that we live in.
Yeah, man.
You need to grind, you know, like
to make it out.
To make it out. Like I remember,
make sure your brethren eat.
Exactly. Because we tell you about life, it's not about your destination, it's about the journey.
Boyo!
Alright, whoa. So, alright.
Appreciate love.
So life is not about the destination, it's the journey, you know.
Bye. Johnny. Bye.
Johnny loves it here. Talpi.
Rasta.
Talpi.
Rasta Jackson.
Just come in, I want to go genius.
You just reached.
One love, brother.
Yeah.
You take care. You too, brother.
So we have Sila I leave out here now.
Yes, my brother.
One love, brother. What's that?
Everything alright?
Everything is
all
good.
All good. One love. It's all Gucci.
Yeah, man. Like a day, man. I drop him off and come back.
Oh, yeah. Set.
Yeah. I'll drop him. I'll be back. Alright. Perfect. So we're gonna drop him and return. So tell Esther some Sue come.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, you can tell Esther thanks for me, but I didn't see Esther whenever she left.
So say, you can tell her on the video.
Oh, Esther, thank you so much. Your room, beautiful room. I had a beautiful sleep last night.
Yes.
I appreciate you for the room. Appreciate love.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. So give thanks. Esther, big up yourself. So I will be back in a minute. You know. Record day now. There you go, sir.
Look at the time now.
Alright, then you're eating your ital street.
Yeah, ital street just done. One part left.
Yeah, he's a vegan. That's why he eats his ital.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Later, brother.
Oh, Thumper. I forgot to pay the man for his jelly.
This guy? Or the guy who works at the shop?
Yeah.
The guy, you can tell he's a hard worker. You look
Thumper!
Thumper!
How much you must get for the jellies? Come for it, please. So you have to pay your bills. There you go. Thank you so much, Thumper.
Yeah, man, I say nothing at all. You're not worried nothing 3 weeks.
Yeah, man.
Nah, pull.
Eh?
Nah, pull up there.
No.
Alright.
Can check you.
Send them and give them half back.
Alright, then I'll be back still. So I'll go drop him off and then I'll come back.
Man, remember.
Yeah?
Later, brother.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, man, for contributing. Alright then, uncle. Alright, so we give thanks. We always buy coal from him to cook.
Yeah.
So he's contributing back some coal to us.
He's got good coconuts too.
Yeah. It's nice, right? So give thanks.
That guy works hard. You see his pants? I think those pants were white at one time.
Yeah, he works hard. You think I work hard? That man works hard as well.
His conditions is he with coal all day. You know?
Yes.
Crazy, man. And you can tell he works hard. He's missing a few fingers.
Alright. Shops.
Probably just run. You know? Probably didn't even take a day off when that happened. Oh, we're doing an outro. Yeah.
Yes, guys. So, well, guys, so we're here. See this home. Sweet home.
Dusted,
guys.
Trenchtown got me dusted, man.
Yes, it's a pleasure, man.
You as well, buddy.
Yeah, man. So, guys, please remember to check the link in the description for Seal and Tour. You can check out his content.
Appreciate love.
You know, and we really wish him all the best here in Jamaica and have a wonderful time, man. So hopefully we'll see you again, guys. I hope we can do some more.
For sure.
Definitely.
Let's do it. All right, Kino.
Then, take it easy, man.
Respect.
Alright,
let me just grab my bag at the back.
Yes, guys, so that is Seal and Tour. So he's in tour here in Jamaica.
Take care, man.
Alright, man.
See you
Blessed,
soon.
man. Alright.
Cheers.
Alright, cool. Yes, guys. So please to remember to check out Seal and Tour. Check out his YouTube channel. That is it.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.